you ever found yourself making a series of decisions? Like whether to bring an umbrella based on the weather forecast? Congratulations, you've already used a decision-making process. That's a lot like how decision trees work. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Knowledge Academy's YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most intuitive and powerful algorithms used in machine learning, and that is decision trees. So let's start with a real-life example we can all relate to. Imagine this: you're about to leave your house, but you're not sure if you should bring an umbrella. You start asking yourself some basic question. Is it cloudy? Did the weather forecast predict rain? Or is it the rainy season? Each question you ask helps you get closer to a decision, right? If it's cloudy or if the forecast predicts rain, you grab the umbrella. If not, you leave it at home. This is exactly how a decision tree works. It helps you break down complex choices into a series of simple yes or no questions. Now, let's take that same concept and apply it to machine learning. A decision tree is just like that series of questions we asked. But instead of asking about the weather, in machine learning, each question is about your data. So, if we were building a model to predict whether someone buys a product, we'd ask questions like, is the customer's income above $50,000? Is the customer under 30 years old? Or does the customer have a college degree? Each of these questions splits the data into smaller groups until we can confidently predict the outcome, just like deciding whether to bring that umbrella. Now, let's talk about the key components of a decision tree. It's really simple. Every decision tree has three main parts. First is root node. This is where the first question is asked, like if it is cloudy, in our umbrella example. This is the starting point. Second is internal nodes. These are the follow-up questions or conditions. In our case, did the forecast predict rain? Is an internal node. Each internal node splits the data further based on a feature. And third is leaf nodes. The leaf nodes represent the outcome or decision, like yes, bring the umbrella, or no, leave it at home. In machine learning, this could be something like class A or class B, or predicting a value. So, why are decision trees so popular in machine learning? Well, one reason is that they're super easy to understand and interpret. You can literally visualize the entire decision-making process, step by step. Another big advantage is that they can handle both classification and regression tasks. That means they can be used to categorize things, like whether an email is spam or not, or even to predict numbers, like housing prices. So there you have it, a quick intro to decision trees, how they work, and a real-life example to make it all click. Whether you're predicting the weather or customer behavior, decision trees make complex problems easier to solve with simple questions. In the next video, we will be solving a real-life problem using decision tree, so buckle up and be ready for a detailed yet interactive hands-on video on decision tree. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more easy-to-follow tutorials on machine learning. Also, drop a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future topics. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.